My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2020 Seat Tarraco. This vehicle has done just over 30,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have automatic headlights. To the left of our screen, we can access radio, media, Bluetooth, and voice control. On the right is navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle settings, and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with rear parking sensors. Just below our screen, we have our dual zone climate control. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that we have 7 seats in total. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5, and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.